Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S game here with another reaction. And we're continuing with the war between, the throwback war between Kalado and Masicka. So we see Kalado shoot first, then we see Masicka reply. Now we're here with Kalado, mass murder, Masicka this. Kalado, mass murder. So, let me tell you, so, like, this throwback series to take me anywhere. Anywhere I feel for go, me just go. So I see on the comments, I say, yo, comment, react to this, react to that. I will get around to them eventually, but me have to in the mood for go to this or go this. You understand? So right now we in the mood for that classic warrior. Only 2 songs each. I think like, yeah, 2 songs each, but them bad. So I'm gonna jump in the one and here we go on. Kalado, mass murder, Masicka this. Let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up!
When say girl song missing. Alright, me call up to my bad girl then. Baby, what you know about Nyamshita?
What?
Man, so we start about a girl song we sing. Remember in a Masicka last track him tell us say yo go and sing a little girl song them near. Dump him over here in the intro. So him said that in the intro, Kalado said about this in the intro.
When say girl song missing. Alright, me call up to my bad girl then. Baby, what you know about Nyamshita?
What?
Baby, what you know about Nyamshita?
Masicka?
Bad girl then.
Yeah!
Baby, what you know about Nyamshita?
What? Masicka? A regular miss long name face and come.
Alright, pull that pin upon in tongue when you come.
Watch me and him blood clot tonight.
So the girl up on the phone and talk to the G. And he must say, yo, what you know about Masicka? A regular she say, oh, Masicka, she say a regular, she sit down in her face and come. So him give her a grenade for pull pan her for pull and put on him tongue when him
Pull that pin upon in tongue when you come.
Watch me and him blood clot tonight.
When the shot apply, butterfly, nothing can lift up. Bullet in them suck pussy might destroy them sex life.
Man say bullet in your mouth and destroy your sex life, Masicka. That is what Kalado say, not me. Nobody blame me.
Can't lift up. Bullet in them suck pussy might destroy them sex life.
So pussy boy, me nah give you no chance to load up. Can your clock man a lay flatter than a robot?
The man say, yo, suck pussy boy, him not give you no chance for load up. Him not give you no chance for forward back. Him not give you no chance. He basically, him tell say him a kill another one. That is what the G say.
Pussy boy, me nah give you no chance to load up. Can your clock man a lay flatter than a robot? Reball when I left him and I saw you got cold up.
Corey get peace. So them time Corey did start manage Masicka. So he must say, yo, Corey thought ball when Adi left from round him. And now at this you go follow up, brother, in an ambition. That's what the G say, not me.
Your clock man a lay flatter than a robot. Reball when I left him and I saw you got cold up. Gunshot for you on your side. Hold up. Me and the real alliance trigger.
Gunshot for Nyama side. So genocide, Nyama side. He must style genocide as Nyama side.
I saw you got cold up. Gunshot for you on your side. Hold up. Me and the real alliance trigger finger them jumps up. Pussy got your child look friendship from Bunty. You want
Member say, Masicka say, suck your mother car bounty now and see you go and sing a little girl song them new. He might tell you say, yo, lie that in a brother. Him a the real alliance. You see me? Stop enough up yourself and stop call up bounty name. A friendship you look from bounty. The general now want to see you. That's how Kalado said to Masicka, not me.
ball when I left him and I saw you go full up. Gunshot for you on your side. Hold up.
Me are the real alliance.
Trigger finger them jumps up. Pussy got your child look friendship from Bunty. You want Corey pat nyam girl pussy and drink period.
Man say you and Corey tad nyam girl pussy and drink. Jesus Christ.
And that make you feel bad. No rifle now we have pussy. Must see your blood clot and this scorpion pop off and shut off.
No rifle now wave. I must see your blood clot and the scorpion pop off, shut off and remember Masicka say rifle now wave shot right in now wave from back to come marvel and bicycle. So he might tell us say you no rifle now wave. A liar tell. Are you on your wave? See ya? Flag out your hand. Move and go. You're not raising the rifle. Tap the line. That's what the GSM Masicka, not me.
Rifle now we have pussy. Must see your blood clot and this scorpion pop off and shut off. Now we have take your life for your so cocky mother can't be a fuck. Scorpion pop off and shut off. Now we have take your life for your so cocky mother can't be a fuck. Pussy and a shot is the word is your call police. When you hear
Masicka mother get it. Masicka. Mama Crocodile, big up. Mama Crocodile, big up yourself, yeah? Them things are going to happen when your son a war with other entertainers and the business. Mother going to get involved. It's nothing personal, mommy. That was 2015, all right? Big up yourself, mommy. Yo! He must say, yo, this I know Shandizi war where you call police in a pussy, you can't run out the warrior. Because remember, me been telling you say Shandizi and Masicka did war when Current kicked theirs, remember?
Life for you so cocky, mother can't be a fuck. Pussy and a Shandizi war, this you call police. When you see your body lie down a dirt, be a blood a run, butterfly gonna work. For your boss, near my side, him a search.
So him a counteract even the melodies. When I say genocide, them a work, Crocodile, the genocide, them a work. Him a tell you, say, your brother, near my side, listen.
Your blood a run, butterfly gonna work. For your boss, near my side, him a search.
For your boss, near my side, him a search. Crocodile, them a work, near my side, them a search.
Run, butterfly gonna work. For your boss, near my side, him a search. Your blood clot cuff no go slide in a church. Rifle a flow in a this studio, them a vice, but him and a copy this and a try build a verse.
Man say you copy Diddy song a try build a verse, brother, that not gonna work. Which one Diddy song them? Rifle a boss. Which song did Diddy sing like that?
For your boss, near my side, him a search. Your blood clot cuff no go slide in a church.
Your blood clot cuff no go slide in a church. Funeral, close casket to guy, any shot any face you get it.
Boss, near my side, him a search. Your blood clot cuff no go slide in a church. Rifle a flow in a this studio, them a vice, but him and a copy this and a try build a verse. Me go action, you make your choice in a words. Ask Bunty what the killer, near my side, them a nerds.
Man say, yo, ask Bunty, who are the killer? Near my side, them a nerd. Them a fool. Them not no sense. They don't know nothing about no badness. Man say, if you ask Bunty who are the real killer. Jesus.
Me go action, you make your choice in a words. Ask Bunty what the killer, near my side, them a nerds. Iron balloon pussy just a walk and talk. They rifle me jaw and no art and craft. Yeah.
I think somebody name they call them call another song. You know that?
Young balloon pussy just a walk and talk. They rifle me jaw and no art and craft. Yeah.
The man say, yo. Voila.
Young balloon pussy just a walk and talk. They rifle me jaw and no art and craft.
You know, say looking back, the Warrior did really nice for the 2-2 song that we get. The Warrior did really nice.
Iron balloon pussy just a walk and talk. They rifle me jaw and no art and craft.
So remember me don't tell you say them time there at 2015. So Masicka never bust properly yet, but Masicka did out there. Masicka named it in the street. So he might tell you say yo the iron balloon and walk and attack. He might say yo, the rifle when him draw and no art and craft and no draw them a draw that pan of paper. Draw them a draw it from out of one corner. Figure wave it, you see me?
Iron balloon pussy just a walk and talk. They rifle me jaw and no art and craft. Yeah. Near my side run left him Ross and Clad. Hear the Batman. Left some got the boss man soft. Near my side run left him Ross and Clad. Hear the Batman. Left some got the boss man soft.
That was a Masicka snippet from one of the songs that when they do when him left subconscious that are own conscience them. So in not a simple thing, him say him left subconscious because the boss man soft. You see me? He must say Kalado conscience soft. So him left from around him because I'm a gangster. That's why I use it now. I say yo Masicka Batman Masicka I say him boss man soft.
Near my side run left him Ross and Clad. Hear the Batman. Left some got the boss man soft. Sound like you feel up some boss man part. When me hear them shit I say them cross man laugh. We know.
Sound like you feel up some boss man parts when them hear them shit I say them tough him have a laugh.
Sound like you feel up some boss man part. When me hear them shit I say them cross man laugh. We no kill and go sick out a flask pan flask. You dopey bad sin you not fi fast and pass. Them a got turn me a weather the way the brother boxing.
Them a go turn me away the way the weather boxing.
Sin you not fi fast and pass. Them a got turn me a weather the way the brother boxing be a backstage a double boxing. Even bread like that ready fi box him ask him no fi.
Man saying see you backstage. He must say even Bright Light did run there ready for box you up. Bright Light the funeral home. Even Bright Light run there ready for box you up.
Be a backstage a double boxing. Even bread like that ready fi box him ask him nothing enough up and couldn't stop the boxing from stop fling. Ya DJ hour. Better your top sing. Corey be love to taboo. Half man a cock sing.
Yeah, DJ Arwa. Better you top sing. Remember say Corey build up two strip club. Remember say Corey build one a Moby and one a Kingston. You see me? Why did Corey build it? You ask. He must say Corey build it because Masicka was one of the go-go them and man a cox him. What?
Yeah, DJ Hour. Better your top sing. Corey be love to taboo. Have man a cox him. Bird a jump out constant when gunshot spray. This YouTube artist. Fin a worldwide my track spin.
If I say, yo, this YouTube artist, remember me don't tell you Masicka was quite underground at that time. This YouTube artist, bet you easy yourself. Remember say you a worldwide film track spin. Them time them have some girls song around the place.
Mass murder me do but now a genocide. 6'6" man a send your side. Rifle a beat in a poker style.
Mass murder me do, now a genocide. Genocide boss, Masicka. Mass murder me do, but now a genocide. 6'6" you get sent, brother.
6'6" man a send your side. Rifle a beat in a poker style. Biggest fish in the deep is a crocodile.
Biggest fish in the deep is a crocodile. I think you make a mistake this, you know.
Rifle a beat in a poker style. Biggest fish in the deep is a crocodile. Pull it with the shit a swamp. Bout gas them up, all the fit full of tank.
Boat gas them up, all if gas them up, come and got busty cylinder.
The crocodile. Pull it with the shit a swamp. Bout gas them up, all the fit full of tank. Crooks men in a S gun a blood clot crank. Fire smoking at the club, the blood dash out at the blood clot bank. See the clerk, them a splurt. Me no ramp, no kitchen aisle. Fishy style get cramp. Shot and dash pan the gas pan in a wild man. And when me say bright like pussy and a lamp. You big pussy man that big joke. Me gun shot out your son brain. Young brain lay down in a sewage and run. Your baby mother tank me fi kill the youth. Cause you never mind it pan a regular she file complain.
Your baby mother tank me fi kill the youth. Cause you never mind it. Bumbo clad. Dog, you got mother. Now you got youth. Let's just say Masicka never take none of that shit. Let's just say that.
Your baby mother tank me fi kill the youth. Cause you never mind it pan a regular she file complain. Give me style and I say the wild man a come tame. And a Masicka long tongue and big front name. Talk about visa. Pussy and your brain man a fly. Cause your body now fly from plane. So
in my contract the visa line where Masicka did say him got prison for visa issue. And when I say, oh, you talk about visa, remember say you're not fly only thing you marry a fly pump.
Talk about visa, pussy and your brain man a fly, cause your body now fly from plane. Nobody stunt game. Masicka me create and a genocide. Your boyfriend them couldn't tell you hide. Rifle a beat in a poker style. The biggest fish in the deep is a crocodile. Suck your mother and your baby mother, son mother.
Suck your mother and your baby mother, son mother. Hold on. Suck your mother, that's your grandmother, and your baby mother, son, mother. Suck your baby mother, son, mother. Suck your girl. And girl, right? Suck your baby mother, son, mother. Your baby mother, son, which is your son, mother. Yeah, you suck.
Not the deep is a crocodile. Suck your mother and your baby mother, son, mother. Pussy. Leave your granny too.
In this say granny already stayed, but him say it again. Leave your granny too.
Mother, son, mother. Pussy. Leave your granny too. Dog. Corey pad build up 2 blood clot go club here for whining and I tell about you soon, boss. Boss your blood clot skull. All the money you spend can boss you, know, pussy. Sell out all him a blood clotting farmer. Try know that. ANG Alliance, my rep never switch.
Alliance. Yo, this war was on point. I enjoyed this war to the fullest. All right, so let's continue. So I'll see you guys over for Masicka reply. Masicka reply is not nice. It's not nice. Let's go.
Jamaica's worst gamer.